Well, didn't it rain, children? Ooh, didn't it rain? Well, didn't it rain, children? Yeah. Oh, yes. Talk about the rain. A great God Almighty, didn't it rain? Red God, thunder, God got angry upon his throne. The angels in the heaven began to moan. He said, go down, angels, and stir up a flood. Pluck out the sun, chain the moon in the blood, then come back. Angels and body, nobody can let my time will be no more than a tell great God when it started to rain. The women and the children began to scream. They knocked on the window, shook the door. They said, look ahead, Noah, can't you take on more? Noah said, well, no, friend, God's got the key and you can't come in. Nobody won't hear the angel moan now, didn't it rain children? Ooh, rain children. Yes, it is. Oh, yes. Talk about the rain. Great God Almighty, didn't it rain? Red God, then the rain for the days and nights without stopping. And Noah got to worry when the water kept dropping. You sent him out a river to send out a dove. The water, great God, kept coming from above. The tempted the children the earth did sleep. They couldn't find land to rest his feet. Somebody won't hear the angel moan now, didn't it rain children? Rain children. Well, oh yes, talk about rain. A great God Almighty, didn't it rain? That God in the wind did blow, the ark did rock. The Noah couldn't find nowhere to dock. And then the Lord God spoke and he whispered low. He showed brother Noah where wanted him to go. Said, look out, Noah, the rain done stopped. I want you to land on a mountain top. You showed on Noah a rainbow sign. No more wonder, but fine next time. But he won't hear the angel moan now, didn't it rain children?